Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about one of the very important features of ATLAS.ti, the feature that can help us import survey data into ATLAS.ti. Basically, this feature is important because it can help you conduct mixed method research. So when you collect data in the quantitative phase, you will be able to import that data into ATLAS.ti and to continue the qualitative phase of your research. So this feature is very important. All right, before I continue, let me show you what we have in this survey data. All right, this is our survey data, and as you can see, data have been collected for 9 variables. The variables are gender, age, marital status, academic background, university type, autonomy, trust in staff, tight control, and also data for one open-ended question. Basically, we have collected data from 5 people. All right, now you should know that when we import survey data in Excel format, of course, it should be in Excel format. When we import survey data into ATLAS.ti, what happens is that each person, each respondent will become a document in an ATLAS.ti project. So after we import this into ATLAS.ti, we will have a project with 5 documents. Also note that each of these variables will be a code in our project. So we will have a code for gender, we will have a code for age, we will have a code for marital status, and so on and so forth. And lastly, each response of the respondents will become a quotation. So certainly we will have a document for this person, and in this document we will have 9 quotations, and these quotations are basically the answers to these variables here. All right, now let me close this and let me create a new project for the survey data. All right, I click on create now. All right, now this is the project, and before I import the survey data, I would like to remind you that basically, as we discussed previously, you cannot click on add documents and add Microsoft Excel documents to your project. But when you click on this tab, import and export, and when you select this option, the survey option, you will be able to import the data stored in Microsoft Excel documents into your project. So I just click on survey, and now I need to locate my my survey data in Excel format, and then I click open. All right, and now it's done, finished. ATLAS.ti has imported the survey data and has coded the data in our project now. So let me show you what we have here in this project. We have 5 documents, and each document contains the data we collected from one person. We had 9 questions in our survey. Now we have 9 codes here, and if you look at each of these documents, you could see that we have 9 quotations. So these quotations are the responses from the respondents to any of the questions. Now let me open one of these documents, for example this one. All right, now you can see that the responses have been coded with the codes, and the codes are basically the variables in the quantitative phase of this research. So for example, this person is a female person. So in terms of marital status, she is married. In terms of academic background, her background is science, and you can see all of the responses that have been coded with the questions, by the way. Now what you can do is that you can continue assigning new codes to these quotations. Especially this may be very, very helpful when you have a few open-ended questions, so you will be able to read those responses and code them. All right, that's it. It's very simple, but at the same time, it's very important. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.